welcome back. It's me, Kim. Today I'm going to show you a bunch of PowerPoint transitions. There's a lot of new ones and they're pretty cool, and I thought I would just show you some examples. So let's go ahead and open up PowerPoint. I'm going to open it a new blank slide. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. We'll just start from scratch. I'm going to make a couple screens just so you can see what they look like when we do the transition. So let's insert pictures. Let's do stock images. That's easy. If this is a PowerPoint 365 from Office 365, so this has the stock images. If you're using 2016 or 2019, you're going to have pictures here and then online pictures. So that's where you're going to pick online pictures. So inside of 365, it's pictures, stock images. Okay, let's just pick something with some color. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, we'll insert that. Okay, that's pretty. Let's make another slide. Let's add another picture. Let's get rid of this here. Let's add another picture. Insert picture, stock images. Something else with a lot of color. Oh, this is fun. Okay, we'll insert that. Let's put it over here. Let's add some text. Alright, so I have a reason for doing this, but let's just make this big. Red, bold, okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and do some transitions. So what a transition is the time between one slide to the next. So you can just have it go as is and not use a transition, and it will just play from one to the other. This one will click off, the new one will come on. It's fine, you could do that, but there are a lot of really fun built-in transitions. So I want to kind of show them to you. So they're up here along the top. You click on transitions and you click the second slide, because if you do the first slide, there's no transition to that. So, well, I guess you could. It could come in from blank when you're starting, but most people just start with the second slide. The first one here on the list is really cool. So I'm going to show you how to use this. So what this does, it morphs it. Let me just show you. It's easier just to show. So let's duplicate this slide. Right mouse click, duplicate the slide. And on this one, we'll move this stuff around. So let's put this on this side. Let's put this text up here. Okay. So then we click on morph, and it moves from our first one to the second one. Did you see what it did? So it's kind of cool. So it just morphs from this slide to this slide. So anyways, it's fun. And then this one I'm going to do here. Let's just do a fade. Well, that was fast. So let's do that again. Faded really fast. So what I'm going to do then is we're on fade. We go over here to effect options. See what the options are. We can go smoothly through black. We can make it longer. Let's make it longer because that was really fast. Now let's see what it looks like. Oh, much better. So now it fades into that one. Okay. That was better. So let's see what else we have up here. We have push. Just pushes the new one, pushes the old one up. This is wipe, kind of wipes it to the left. That one is another one. Let's see what options we have. Oh, we have a lot of options here. So So we can push from the top. I think we need it longer. Now let's see. From the bottom. Oh, so it kind of wipes in from whichever direction you pick. Bottom right, diagonal. Let's try that again. Oh, that looks cool. I like that. Okay. So now we're going to do split. So it's solid in the middle. It kind of splits to let the new screen in. Again, you can change the options and the duration. You could add sound if you want. You can make it so it automatically will transition. But if you're doing a presentation, you probably want to do on mouse click. That way you can control when the new slide comes up. So here's reveal. So that was kind of cool. Let's see what else you can do from there. Smoothly through black from the right. Let's see what that looks like. That one kind of fades in. That one kind of fades in. I like that one. Here's cut. That was really fast. I guess cut is fast. Doesn't matter how long we make it last. Through black. Let's see. Yeah. Random bars. What effects do we have for that? Horizontal. Okay, make it a little bit longer so we can see what it looks like. Preview. So that's kind of nice. Let's see, here's a shape. So that's a circle in the middle, kind of radiating out. That's my dog. Guess she didn't like that one. Okay, here's uncover. Kind of slides it over. This is cover. The opposite of the uncover. Here's flash. Whoa, looks like we took a picture with the flash. It's a fun one. Kind of falls down. I like that one. Here's a drape. Ooh. It would look like a piece of paper just fall on down there. Here's curtains. Oh, that's pretty. See? It's like the curtains. Now here's some wind. Blow it away. Prestige. There's fracture. Crush. Crush up the paper. That's nice. It's called peel off. Here's page curl. That's kind of like a book. Paper airplane flies away. Let's make that one a little bit longer. And there we go. That's fun. There's origami. Little bird flying away. Dissolve. Checkerboard. That's a fun transition. Here's blinds. See what that looks like. We make it a little bit longer. So you see, these are fun. They're just different ways of transitioning from one to the next. It just gives the people watching your presentation something a little bit more interesting to look at than just a bunch of text. There you go, honeycomb. Here's glitter. Here's vortex. And shred. Let's add a couple more slides just so we can actually make a little slideshow here and see what it looks like. New slide. Let's I just like adding the pictures because it's fast. Stock images. Here we go. Let's add this cat. He's pretty cool. Okay, and then one more. New slide. Let's see. Insert picture. Stock images. There's categories here, so you can pick if you're looking for something specific. Like here, let's pick a pretty sky. Oh, there's some fireworks. There we go. Okay, so this I don't want. Let's make this bigger. Okay, so let's just add some transitions. Okay, so that one already has. So this little star means that it has a transition already. So this one does not. So let's see. We're going to go from these dots to the cat. Transition. Oh, I liked this curtain one. Okay, and then we're going to go to the fireworks from that. Let's see which one was cool. The checkerboard was cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch our show. From the beginning. Okay, here we go. Now there's our cool one that we made there. Here's the curtain. So it's a little more interesting than just showing picture after picture and just sliding them over. It just adds a little more interest. So they're fun. There's a lot of them in there. I didn't even go through them all, so you could see there's just pages of them. There's quite a few. Oh, here's random. So then if you clicked, right here's random. Let's change that one to random. So every single time you watch this, it's going to be a different one. Let's preview. So it's a different transition each time. That's kind of fun too, so you don't know what's coming. I'm just clicking this preview button over here. So it's just picking a different one. Well, that was fun. Look at I zoomed out of the picture. So spend some time, look at these, play with them, play with the sounds and the duration, and make sure you look at the effects. Like here's a window, but if you look at these effects, a lot of times that one doesn't really have a lot. Let's see if someone has a lot. Some of them have a lot of options. From the bottom. Oh, that's fun. There's one called Cube. Oh, here it is. It kind of is like just rotates like a box that rotates around. That was kind of fun. So you look at the effect options. Try all the different ones. See what they look like. The sounds. There's quite a bit of sounds. Here, let's use a hammer. Okay, let's see. I don't know if you heard that or not. I don't have it very loud. Let me turn this up a little bit. Okay, so let's try cash register. Anyways, it's cute. So have some fun, play around. PowerPoint's really a fun program. I'm going to do a whole bunch of different videos. This is just one. There are so many possibilities. It's just limitless based on your imagination, really. So enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.